Hello everybody, I have this table saw for you guys. Let's open it up, unbox it, and check it out. It's the manual. It's packaged in some nice foam. So here is the main unit, nice, thick, and quality, taken out of the box, had some nice foam, very good packaging, and then all of the accessories you need. So let's put it together and I'll show you all of the accessories. You just rotate this handle to bring the blade up or down, and then if you want to rotate the blade, you just move this like this, and you can put it at whatever angle you need, and it shows you the angle in there. And then when you want to lock it in place, you just lock this up, and it locks the blade in place. Here is the on-off button. Here is the miter gauge, which slides right in. You can move it to make cuts, and also you can change the degrees, as you can see right here. You just loosen this up, and you can change the angle if you want a 45-degree angle. You just lock it in and then run it through. We have the rip fence here, which is great for measuring out your cuts. It's very nice. You just pull this and you can move it wherever you want. And as you can see, you can measure it right here, depending on where you want your cut. And then wherever you want it, you just pull this down, lock it in place, and there you go, you can get your measured cuts. I absolutely love how it came with this push stick, so you can push the wood through. Absolutely amazing. I love little features like this when companies add stuff like this. It does have a dust port if you want to hook up a shop vac, which is very, very cool. So for me, it worked great. I really like the build quality of this, and the cuts were absolutely fantastic. So definitely check it out for yourself, guys, and pick one up.